dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 election, Peter Obi, on Wednesday tasked security agencies and the Independent National Electoral Commission to adhere to the rules to ensure free, fair, and credible poll in Edo State. Moving on after this, we have, ahead of the Saturday, September 21st municipal election in Edo State, the embattled chairman of the Labour Party, Julius Abure, shunned Edo campaign. He accuses Obi, Alex Oti, of betrayal. Alright, my wonderful people, thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share. Don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. Alright, my wonderful people, let's dive into the main story. The Labour Party presidential candidate in the 2023 election, Peter Obi, tasked security agencies and the Independent National Electoral Commission to adhere to the rules to ensure free, fair, and credible poll in Edo State. He gave the charge on the grand finale rally for the party governorship candidate in Edo State, Olumide in Benin City, the state capital. Obi said the people of Edo State would resist any attempt by any political parties to rig the election, saying Nigerians are suffering today because of the wrong choice of leadership they have made. He added that the correction must start from Edo State by voting in the governorship candidate of the Labour Party come September 21st. So he urged the security agencies and the Independent National Electoral Commission to adhere to the rules to ensure a free election. If Akpata win, according to Peter Obi, he said he will fix the federal roads that are connected to the state without waiting for the federal government to fix them. He blamed state governors who usually shift responsibilities to the federal government to the detriment of the citizens of Edo State, as he assured that the Labour Party candidate wouldn't do such. Peter Obi called on the people of Edo State to come out to vote Olumide Akpata and his running mate Kadiri Asmao. Already speaking, Obi running mate in the 2023 presidential election, Yusuf Dati, called on the party faithful in Edo State to utilize their numerical strength to enthrone their choice of candidates come September 21st. He further urged them not to be intimidated, but to be ready to vote and defend their vote because power belongs to the people. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. September 21st is the governorship election in Edo State. Who do you think will emerge as the governor of Edo State? Let us know in the comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned. Moving on to the next one. Ahead of the Saturday, September 21st governorship election in Edo State, the Labour Party on Wednesday held their final mega campaign rally with the party leaders such as Peter Obi, Yusuf Baba Ahmedati, Nina D. Usman, Aisha Yusuf, among others, in attendance, canvassing support for the party candidate Olumide Akpata. However, the embattled national chairman of the party, Julius Abure, and members of the disputed National Working Committee were absent. On Wednesday, the Abure camp had a press conference in Abuja addressing the National Publicity Secretary of the party, Obiora Ifu, accused Peter Obi and Abia State Governor Alex Oti of betrayal, following the appointment of a caretaker committee led by Nadi Usman to lead the party. Ufo accused Obi and Dati of teaming up with the Independent National Electoral Commission to frustrate Abure and his National Working Committee. Ufo lamented that rather than stand by the party in their trying moments, the two party leaders betrayed their trust by openly dancing go 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 go. I put up a small matter with the electoral umpire. Go is a popular folk music by non-Nigerian high-life artist Mike Ejara, which went viral this year on social media. Ifo said the party is moved by the action of their leaders, including their former presidential candidate and their only governor who should be defending the party at this trying time. But they ought to know that the Labour Party is going through challenging times over the role in defending both leaders during the 2023 general election. The leadership went to the trenches with Peter Obi, cascading through the nook and crannies, canvassing for votes. For the benefits of hindsight, not a few Nigerians will forget how they accommodated some of these leaders when they were denied tickets in their former political party. There are many who suddenly sought the head of Julius Abure to be served on a platter, were rolling on the floor, begging for tickets. Some couldn't even afford to pay for the nomination forms. That the same Labour Party leadership stood by their then governorship candidate in Abia State through thick and thin, snubbing all sorts of pressures, weathering the political and judicial storm to ensure that victory was achieved. But today, these leaders are now dancing. Go with them. Then what a shame, what a betrayal. The drama came barely 1 week after the party dragged INEC to court to stop the commission from granting recognition to the newly installed Ninadi Osman-led caretaker committee. 2 days ago, the media was also awash with INEC counter affidavit to the effect that the tenure of the Abure-led executive has expired to justify their attempt to confer legitimacy on the 29 members committee inaugurated by Obi, Alex Oti, and the party stakeholders. But Ifo vowed on Wednesday that the illegal arrangement wouldn't stand, stressing that the committee members were handpicked by faction of the party in the most undemocratic fashion. So he also accused INEC of trying to destabilize the party by taking side and attempting to undermine the Labour Party leadership. As they all are aware, he said the party has since sued INEC challenging their exclusion from the commission refresher training for uploading party agents ahead of the Edo and Ondo governorship election. However, INEC had in counter affidavit filed a response to the suit, argued that the Labour Party leadership, including Julius Abure, is invalid, stressing that it does not recognize the party March 2024 National Convention. Every Nigerian alive knows the role INEC played in the 2023 general election and how the electoral will of the people were dashed. It amazed them that those who suffer from this INEC attitude in 2023 are now joining forces with the commission against the party leadership. According to Ifo, he said for these leaders, there is no qualm to leverage on the INEC standpoint of illegality to attempt to seize the leadership of the party. So they sincerely want to advise these leaders that INEC is and can never be the model on which to launch their annexation agenda. That the 2023 saga is still fresh. In one breath, they demoralize INEC. In another, they are seen fraternizing with them. So, Ifo asks, where was this loyalty when INEC failed to protect the will of the people in 2023? Let them not be fooled that INEC has not changed, and come 2027, they will once again serve them the pottage with the same dish. My people, don't be small casala. So guys, I would like to know your thought towards this issue. Let me know your opinion in our comment section. Let's make it lively in our comment section below. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do also forget to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn notification bell together to notify whenever I drop a video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trend and latest news happening on social media. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment.